This is literally the calm before the storm. It's about to start in earnest, and when it does, it's going to come in very fast, very hard, and people have to be very, very careful.
Let's go ski, boys.
7 states under a state of emergency this morning. The blizzard moving east right now. Massachusetts really getting hit hard. Eastern Long Island, no fun out there as well.
My name's Ben Nichols. This is the Cuban blizzard crisis. Eric!
Governors from 7 states declaring states of emergency, many making the same plea.
Extreme snowfall, hurricane-force winds.
It should not be taken lightly.
Travel ban for the entire state.
Please remain home and remain off the roads.
You went to Stolbeck! You went to Stolbeck!
Hallelujah. Girl, said hallelujah.
Masooch, punch it!
Let go, Momo!
Masooch, punch it!
Go, Mama!
Punch it, Masooch!
Holy shit. Oh, we're going 50. Holy shit.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god.
He's off,
He's off.